this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I would like to say thank you for coming to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, I would like to say welcome, and this channel is all about crochet. Okay, so this video is only going to have two things in it. I have a shout out, and I have a package that I received, and this is KnitCrate. So this time, I did get an email or something, and they were talking about the boxes and, you know, because of the virus and all this kind of stuff and the less workers. And so they were going to be putting them in a package like this. And, you know, that's perfectly fine with me. I mean, this is a cute color, you know. But anyway, so let's see what this month's KnitCrate is. If you're not familiar with KnitCrate, they are a monthly subscription of yarn. And like a little goodie type thing, but it's a good high quality yarn. And I really look forward to this. So I just received mine in the mail today. And so let's see what we have in here. Okay, so I can tell you this right now. Being in the package, cutting this close to it, you need to be very careful not to cut the yarn, because my scissors, I just happened to notice, was in the yarn. Luckily, I did not go down. I happened to look inside first. So all of you guys that are doing this with the package need to be careful and watch that, okay, guys? All right, this is really pretty. It is sparkly. I have no sparkly yarn. Oh my gosh, look at this. I have to say, this is probably going to be my favorite yarn I've ever received from them. I've been wanting to buy sparkly yarn. It comes with two of them. Look at that. They are gorgeous. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, KnitCrate. This is gorgeous. And I love this color. It is, I don't know how the camera comes off, but it's like a fuchsia pink color and sparkly. Like I said, I have no sparkly yarn, but I do now. This is beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to get started on something with this. Okay, let's read what it says on the package here. It says, Uri Yarn, Sugared Sport by KnitCrate. The colorway is called Ruby. It is 70% superwash merino, 20% nylon, and 10% stellina. Who knows? It's a sport weight, 300 yards, and you can machine wash, gentle cycle, lay flat to dry. So 300 yards, that means I have 600 yards in this. That's a little bit more than what, like, one of these cakes right here is. Because this cake right here is 590 yards. So that's about what it's similar to, if you're wondering. So, yes, I'm very excited about this. Thank you. All right, let's see what else is in this package, if there is anything else. Let's see. Okay, we have a card. It says April 2020 Luminous. You get this cute little card. And then it talks about, oh, they're giving you a coupon code for 15% off your next order from Soak. Okay, not from them, but from Soak. Plus get free shipping on orders over $50. And we're doing things a little differently this month in light of the COVID-19 pandemic, because the situation is changing on a daily basis. And that's what I was kind of telling you about why they were coming in this right here. So I'm not going to read all that to you. All right, so it looks like you get, it says Clean with the Peel, Soak. Modern care for the laundry you love. Huh, so it's, I guess, laundry detergent. Clean all the laundry you love with this rinse-free, environmentally friendly formulation. Perfect for washing your laciest lingerie, softest sweaters, swimwear, handmade quilts, even baby clothes. Show your laundry and the planet some love. So you get a little package of this right here, a little sample. But I guess pattern-wise, it says we're including your inspirations booklet as a digital-only download. please use the link below to download the booklet from our website. Once on our website, you'll also find a link to add the booklet to your Ravelry library. All of us here at KnitCrate hope you and your family are staying safe. Anyway, so I guess I'll just look into it. All I care about is this right here anyway. Most of the time I don't make anything from their patterns, to be honest with you. I just love their yarn. Okay, moving on. I just want to give a shout out to Ryan from the Yarn Hag Ryan. If you don't know her, you need to know her. Go check out her channel, and I will leave her channel in the link of the description box below. And go check her out. She's always got something going on, always. And she has helped me out personally. I had a request for something for a graph, and the lady, she did it. Thank you, Ryan. She helped me out. But that's not really what the shout out about. The shout out thing is because I want you to go to her channel because she has a giveaway going on. And it is for like a $50 gift card. I mean, oh my gosh, that's a lot of money. So I am going to enter it. I'm not going to let that $50 chance pass me by. So all you got to do is she has a video tutorial on how to make a row counter, like in a charm type row counter, and which is really exciting. So Ryan, I had my beads and stuff out, girl. I went and pulled out my beads, and I'm going to see what I can make. All you got to do is make her row counter from her video tutorial and just email her a picture of your row counter that you made. And then she's going to put all those emails into a hat, draw a name, and somebody's going to win $50. I want my name in that hat. So that's, just go check her out. I'll leave the link below in case you don't know Ryan. So thank you, Ryan, for doing this for everybody. This is a fun giveaway. I mean, it really is a fun one. I would never have thought of doing something like that. You go, girl. All right, that's all that I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the Knit Crate, seeing what's going to be in this month's box. And like I said, if you're not familiar with them, go check them out. I'll have the link below with my little referral link. I think the one that I have on there is you get your first box for $5. So go check out that link and subscribe and get you some Knit Crate yarn. So that's all that I have on the yarn and with the Ryan. So I'm going to end this video with the Words of Life Promise Book. Let's see what scripture we have to end this video with. It looks like it's going to come from Matthew 12:50. This is from my Granny Ralston, and then from my Granny Ralston to my mama. So it says, whosoever shall do the will of my Father which is in heaven, the same is my brother and sister and mother. I don't know if you could see it on there. But yeah, these scriptures are like really old, this little box right here. And anyway, that's all that I have. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.